Good morning, students. In chapter number 4, population structure, we studied about the components of the population structure. Number 1, age structure. Number 2, sex ratio. Third, population composition. Number 4, literacy. And number 5, occupation structure. We studied about the sex ratio and the age structure, and today's topic is population composition. Today's topic is population composition. And the population composition, we will discuss about the ratio of rural and urban population. Ratio of rural and urban population. In population composition, the ratio of rural and urban population is considered. यानी कि that is here the in population composition we study about the ratio between the rural and the urban population. ठीक है, तो divide the population on the basis of rural and the urban population is also called the population structure. Divide the population, study of the population on the basis of the ratio of rural and the urban population is also called the population composition. Clear? And the world approx more than 50% part. The world approx more than 50% parts are live in the cities. Resides in the cities. World population approx 50 about the 50% part. About 50% part resides in the cities. And the Asia and Africa continent. In Asia and Africa continent, here the maximum, here the underdeveloped and the developing countries, and here the urban population is approx 38%, and the North America and the European countries, all these are the developed countries, and here rural population found low, and here the urban population found maximum. Approx here the 75% of the total population part is the urban population in North America and the European countries. The urban population is decreasing. Urban population is increasing day by day in underdeveloped countries and the developing countries and the developed countries. The population increase day by day, and this the urban population will be 8 billions till 2030 AD. यानी 2030 तक वर्ल्ड में जो अर्बन पॉपुलेशन का पार्ट है वो कितना हो जाएगा? 8 बिलियन पॉपुलेशन इज द अर्बन पॉपुलेशन टिल 2030 AD. Okay? More than 50% of the world population part resides in the cities. Urban population and the rural population activities. First of all, here the rural population, villagers, rural population are engaged in the primary activities like here the agriculture, animal husbandry, wood cutting, many other works. All these are the primary activities, agricultural activities. The rural population are engaged in the agricultural activities, and here the urban population are engaged in the non-agricultural work. Urban population are engaged in non-agricultural work like the secondary activities, tertiary activities, and the tertiary activities. Urban population engaged in like here the manufacturing works, or here the industrial works, and the service sector. And the maximum ratio of the urban population are found in the developed countries, and the rural population ratio found in underdeveloped and the developing countries. According to the distribution of the urban population, world can be classified, world can be divided in the three parts. three part. According to distribution of the urban population, world can be divided in the three part. First here the high urban population. High urban population, the maximum population, maximum urban population are engaged in the non-agricultural work. Non-agricultural work. So high urban population ratio found. High urban population ratio is found in the developed countries like the USA, Japan, European countries like Germany, Britain, France, and the Asian country like here Japan, Australia, and the New Zealand. All these countries are the developed countries, and here the found high urban population. More than 60%. More than 60% of the part of the population of developed countries are the urban population. Second here the moderate urban population. Which countries are included in this category? Where the urban population found 40 to 60%. The urban population part found here 40 to 60%. These countries are included in the moderate urban population like China, South Africa, Egypt. All countries are included in this second group. Next here low urban population. So these countries where the rural population is high more than urban population, these are included in this group. Less than 40% population are the urban population. Which countries are included in low urban population category? India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, etc. country are in the third group, low urban population. So at last we can say that the population can be divided in the rural and the urban population, and this type of the structure is called the population composition. This type of the population structure also called the population composition. In population composition, we consider the ratio of rural and the urban population, and the urban population are engaged in the secondary and the tertiary activities, and the rural population are engaged in the agricultural work like the primary activities.